Hello all, welcome to Studious Wonder Hour. If you're planning to migrate to new faster disk or clone your existing bootable drive to a new drive, then this video is for you. In this video, we are using Samsung Data Migration utility to clone from existing disk to the new disk. Do check in the video description for the link to download Data Migration utility. Also do check other links in the description for unboxing and installing of NVMe Samsung SSD disk and various other videos regarding performance benchmark, diagnostic scan, over provisioning and performance optimization. Do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon if this video is helpful to you. Once you install Samsung Data Migration utility, then this is the view you see once you open the application. Select the drive from where you want to clone. In my case, it is Kingston SATA SSD and I have a new NVMe Samsung SSD to which I would like to migrate. So I have selected my source and target and then click on the start. Make sure your target drive is bigger than your source drive. Do check the information message that you see after clicking the start. This process would take a while to complete. So be patient and make sure both the disks are connected throughout the process and there is no interruption in between. Once the cloning or the migration is complete, the target drive is marked as bootable drive and the source drive is marked offline. You can reconfirm it by looking into the BIOS during the restart to see if the target or the new drive is selected as the default boot drive. Continue to watch till the end to see how to reconfirm your bootable drive and also make sure the offline drive is brought back online so that you can use the storage for other purposes.